disabilities?
We do. We have students who might have. What happens is when a student, any student, adult or child, is strength or weakness. Some people do better with children. Some people do better with adults. So we have had teaching relating to expand on that. Right now, students with severe disabilities, we're not. I mean, maybe it would be like a case by case basis, but we're looking to involve music therapy in our lesson plan because we want to be able, as a community music school, we want to be able to service our community 100%. So we want to be able to offer music instruction to all people. So and that is actually one of the things that we talk about on the task force because I do get a lot of interest from different organizations that have children who have some disability. They just excel if they have music instruction. So we're looking to try to pursue that, and it's getting the faculty.
Wow.